Can you believe it? This guy used a thumb-sized toy shovel and created a raging flood at the beach. He originally just wanted to clean up some trash. But then he found a tiny toy shovel. He took it to where the river meets the sea. The tide had gone out, lowering the water level, separating the river from the ocean. To reconnect it, he started digging in the sand. With a friend's help, a small trench was quickly dug through. But as the water rushed in faster and faster, the trench soon turned into a 1-meter wide stream. Minutes later, the little stream kept expanding, even attracting a group of surfers. They started riding the waves, using the flow of water like a natural surf spot. Was what he did really a good idea?